So hello guys, I'm Jacob Zeds and I'm a Filipino gamer. I'm playing Minecraft Pocket Edition version 1.03. Let's play survival mode. We have to delete this one because I'm not I'm trying to delete display at maglalaro na tayo ng survival mode. Ang kailangan ko ng kahoy, wood, para magkaroon ako ng sword and pickaxe and axe. Shit. Doink. Let's try to build a crafting table. And let's just put here so we can craft wooden pickaxe and one axe. So let's to break this. And I have to find food. Kailangan maghanap ng pagkain at ship. Unang-una, pag magsisurvival kayo, kailangan ship muna hanapin nyo kasi pag magagabi na, pag magagabi, kailangan nyo ng bed. Oh, there's one. Okay, try to kill your shit. Don't run, don't run. Yeah, hey. Okay. So let's find the sheep. Oh, fuck. Wait, I have to break this one. So, oh, I have, and this. So, kapag nakakita kayo ng ganito, ibig sabihin, stone siya na may halong, tawag dito sa baton to. Coal. Pwede kayo magluto gamit yung coal. And, first time kong ginawa to sa YouTube. Matagal na naglalaro ng Minecraft, guys. Gusto ko lang i-share ang aking pakikipagsapalaran sa Minecraft Survival. Oh, I found you, man. Don't run because I kill you. Okay, oh. Hey, man. Oh, man. Wait nga lang, shit. Patay ko ba? Guys, napatay ko ba? Oh. So, guys, ayun. Gamit ko yung controller, kaya wala kayo nakikitang touch dito sa screen ko. Kasi gamit ko Ipeka 9025. Sa Lazada ko lang nakuha at murang-mura. 800 pesos. Try ko kayo pumunta sa isang village. Okay. Now let's upgrade our axe and pickaxe into stone axe. Oh, where's our Oh, there's no stone. So let's try to break this stone to make a stone axe and a stone pickaxe. Yeah. Oh, wait. So, oh yeah. Gago. Wag ko pala ginawa. Ano? Oh, yeah. So let's try to upgrade the axe and wait. I have oh, kulang akong isa guys. Yun. And oh, guys, kung may naririnig kayong pukpok dyan. Sorry, may nag-aayos kasi ng bahay dito. And let's try to put our upgrades axe and now here goes our upgrades. So yung napapansin nyo, pag nakastone na siya, medyo mabilis na siyang mag-break ng stone. Okay. May naririnig akong zombie. Teka, wala pang gabi. Wala pang gabi. Let's find one ship. Parang paikot-ikot lang ako guys. And I'm trying to find one ship. So, kaya inuuna ko yung ship kasi para makagawa na ako ng bed. And pag di ako nakagawa ng bed, I'm trying to let's let's make a boat. Let's make a fucking boat. Wait. Let's make a boat. So let's and put this in water. What? Oy. Hey man, don't shit, paano ako sasakay dito guys? Wala siya. Ako muna. Saan dito yung ano? Yung, oh! Fuck! I don't like boats. Tang inis. Fuck, shit. I have tried this boat and find some ship. Where's the fuck? Where's the oh fuck. Fine, so let's find the ship. Nakahilo pala. Bad trip to. Oh, there's one trick. Oh, that tree. Three of them. We have to kill them. Hey man. One punch axe. Oh fuck. Oh. Ooh. What the fuck? Hey, don't try this shit. Mm. So let's go in here and ooh. Oh. I found you. Thanks, bitch. Now I'm trying to kill you. Don't run. Oh. Now we have to find. So kailangan natin maganap ng isang matutuluyan. Bubutas na unahan to para hindi tayo pasukan ng zombie. Fuck! Go away from me, shit. Oh, there are two of them. There are two of them. Oh, shit. Oh, let's hurry. Let's put in this. And this. So we have to cook our food. Mm. Yeah. Let's try to put in this para wala makapasok sa ating house. House in underground. Wait. If I kill this spider, I have one. Oh, there's a creeper. So guys, kung may nakita kayong creeper, huwag niyong papatayin sa malapit sa inyong bahay. Kasi, pares kayo ng bahay niyo sa sabog. That's a tip number 1. And there's a bed. So we have to put in this and let's sleep.